Well, good morning, Wolfpack. How you guys doing? Welcome to CS Trades 101. This is Cameron Simpson joining here today. So, wow, what an interesting night. I did a Fibonacci retracement here on the board there. That's what you're seeing right now. I was just doing a little bit of homework. Yeah, there's definitely some conspiracy here. I've noticed some stuff. The numbers are definitely not adding up still. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Or text, all the data. There's definitely some, they're trying, they're trying, wow, they're up to shenanigans again. They've run out of stuff. It's getting, it's getting crazy. I just, sorry I'm laughing at this, but let's do a ticker symbol read here. Okay, we're on AMC this morning, and that's what we're going to be on most of the day. Yeah, I've been up since 2 in the morning again, just crunching numbers and watching pre-market. Nothing else. We're in the red right now. Okay, we closed the market at 1956. We're up 19.20%. Before the market closed, after hours, we're sitting and bouncing frantically up and down here. There's a lot of volume coming in. It's lower amounts, but it's pounding through. We're at $18.89. We're at negative 3.48%. Okay, very curious to see what's going to happen when this market opens. We are going to buy some shares today live. So we're going to buy $200 US worth today. We're going to add a little bit to the pot, which will put us close to about 1,000. I think we're at 900 and something. And I'm going to, tomorrow I'm going to do some screenshots. I'm going to be showing you what we have, how much money we're making. We're making a substantial amount in our account. So I told you I'd be always transparent with you. So what we're going to do is we're going to show that stuff live. Okay. I found a way to do it so my account numbers aren't on there. I've screenshotted it on my Android phone. So we're going to transfer it. I just got to figure the software out. It's new software. I bought some new software last night for you guys. So, yeah, let's, yeah, it's, where I am, it's raining out today. So where are you guys from? How's the weather? Shoot me a chat. I'm just curious, just to start some convo in the morning here, till market opens. Unless you want me to jump on over and check something out. Actually, let's jump over to GME here for a second, and then the Fibonacci retracement here. I'll show you what I mean once we start the market. I have that set up for a reason. I'm curious to see what happens. I'm just going to see how the volume matches along with what's going through the stock to see if they are ladder tacking us today. So I'm very curious because I got something figured out that'll actually show that. Okay, so I have switched the colors because I am going blind in my own age, and I've been staring at these monitors for months and months and months, and my eyes are starting to go a little bit from it. So I need to take a break, but I'm addicted, and I can't let you guys down. I can't leave you guys hanging. So anyways, ticker symbol GME, GameStop. What we are sitting at, we were at 200. They did really good yesterday. GME, it was at 242.56. They were at positive 15.82%. Okay. But after hours, they took a little bit of a dip, which is perfect time to buy. But I would not recommend first thing in the morning until these trading platforms dump. Okay. Or else you could put yourself into a pickle. Okay. And we'll see how that goes. Okay. It's really hard on these volatile stocks to buy. Like, you gotta, I can't give information out. That's what I would do. But like, just take it with a grain of salt. You guys are experienced traders now, right? You guys, obviously, if you're trading this stuff, like you know what you're doing. You know the basics. Okay. So I'm just going to blow this back. I did change the EMA and the MA lines because I was having problems seeing them, and I think you were too. I don't know. I didn't get any feedback on that, but yeah, I'm just Michael, good morning. Good morning to everybody out there. I'm just going to log on here. Just give me a minute. The market opens right now. The market just opened. Okay, we're going to go over to AMC here. Let's pull this. Oh, wow. We did have, that's the, okay, what's going on here now? Are you kidding me? Okay, I got to pull this off here because it's messing my chart up. Okay, there we go. So we did have a bit of a dip. I'm going to wait a bit and I'm going to buy some stocks. Okay. So just give me a minute here. I'm just going to log on to another server like I always do in the morning. If you have, Michael, if you want, I think there's only a couple of you on YouTube right now. If you want a question or something, fire away, buddy. If not, just hang out. I'll be with you in a minute. Okay, we're just hooking up that. I'm just going to jump back and hit Twitter here. I'm just going to go up my platform and hit a share with Twitter because we're linked up to Twitter now. Oops, I got to turn that down. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, do. Yes, we are going. Okay, I guess we are sharing to Twitter. I guess it's an automatic link with this new software. Sorry about that. I'll start screwing around here. Okay, AMC is at $19.07. We are negative. We've actually gained 2% since market open. We're at $19.14, 10 cents, jumping around there. We're negative 2.35. Okay, I'm going to, I think I'm going to buy some shares here, guys. So, let's, actually, I'm going to wait a bit. I have a feeling that kids, I have a feeling I'm going to wait a bit. I'm going to wait until this clears. I see a substantial amount of orders coming through here. By the time I get my order in here, I know it's going to probably up higher. So I'm just going to open up my trading platform. Like I think if you guys are going to do, I recommend that you do that too, right? You always have it ready. Oh man, these titanium plates on my neck are just killing me today with this rain. Damn. Okay, I'm just going into my trading US account now, cash account. Wow, we got a substantial amount of cheese in there now, man. That account's just doing so good. Wow, we've almost doubled our money. A little bit of a sell-off today, but we made over $3,000 US in it just in one trading session in that one account yesterday. So everybody logging on, just bear with me. I'm just hooking up my trading account right now. Because we're going to buy some more AMC today. Yes, we are. Trade in. I love it. Okay. Yes, we are AMC. And we are going to action. I'm going to buy. And I'm going to wait a bit because I'm going to wait till this thing dumps. I don't care if I pay a little bit higher. I stand behind my own rules. I'm just going to let this peter out a bit here. Actually, that's a pretty good deal right now. Okay, actually, what time is it? Okay, but they've unloaded quite a bit of it. Okay, we're hitting down 4% sale and a dip. I'm going to buy some right now. Okay, quantity. This is going to take me a minute. Just bear with me, guys. I'm going to read that. We're sitting at AMC. We're hitting at $18.72. We're minus 4.80. GME is at $228.96. They're minus 5.61. It's a dip. It's a buy, guys. It's red. We got to buy. We got to load this baby up. Okay, I'm going to spend $200 worth today in one chunk. I know it's not that much, but every bit adds. I'm adding to the pot to get that back up. I'm doing my DD. Okay? Just because I had a little bit extra money sitting in my account. So we're going to do that. It's $18. Did $200 would be 20 shares, roughly, right? 20 shares. So I know it's not much, but I know I can double that. Okay, 20 shares. Pre-order. Doom. Oh, I can buy more. They're cheaper. Okay, let's add. Let's up it. Let's up the ante. I like it when that happens. I hate these apps sometimes. Damn it. Okay, you're screwing me around here. Fuck you. Not you guys. This bullshit here. These fucking TD Bank. Sorry, pardon my language. I shouldn't be swearing on here. I get very irritated with this crap because I'm supposed to be doing something else. Okay. Actually, it's down to 6%. Come on. Good thing that... it's actually a good thing that thing messed up, hey? We're going to go 25 shares we'll try. What? Doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. Jesus Christ. Okay. Why is it doing that? I think they're jamming my platform up here, guys. I think they're pulling a friggin' Reddit here. I mean, Robinhood. What the hell? They're jamming me out here. What the frig? Okay, I'm going to lose it here. If I end up smashing my phone across the room, don't mind me, okay? Because this irritates me, man. They cannot do this. I've already pressed charges on them once, and check out my lawsuits already online. It's all on the podcast. We're going to go 22. How can that be $20 a share, 20 share? That can't be $400, you scammy little biatches. It is. Okay. That doesn't make sense. Okay. Okay, we are sitting at $19 and $19 even, 19.01. Okay, we're going to try this. You bastards. This app's trying to screw me out of money. That's what it's trying to do. Typical TD Bank. You bastards. It's only letting me buy 10 shares. Are you kidding me? At $19. We're doing it. Bought. Sold. Bought. Not sold. Sorry. I was selling the feature. There. Done. Thank you for your purchase. Buck. Done. Okay, let's get to work here. We got lots of work to do. I can actually, sorry guys, I should show you that. That's so rude of me. How rude am I? Okay, I do have my YouTube thing on the bottom right corner. Okay, I'm going to show you. Does it show account numbers on there? No, it doesn't. Okay, we own in this one account now. We own 755 shares, and we're also linked to another account. I'm just going to show you live that I actually did purchase at $19. We have gained up that. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, you can't see it. Shit. Okay, so anyways, here actually, can you see that? No. Sorry, guys. What I'll do is post it. I will post it up on the video tomorrow. I promise you guys, now that I got that new software, we'll work on it. Okay? So let's stop messing around with this thing. So now we own an extra 10 shares. That's an extra. I just dumped another $200 in it. Okay, I did my own DD on that. Let's get back into the podcast now. I told you that I would buy, and I will prove it on my live stream to show you guys that I actually did. I don't lie, okay? And if I do say the wrong information on here, I want you guys to call it on me. Are you with Robinhood? No! Don't mention that name on my platform. I'm just joking. No. Do not. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys something right now. If you are with Robinhood, do not transfer your shares out right now because they will jam them up and you will screw yourself. Okay, there's a couple people that have done that. They're locking them out. They're just locking them out, and what they will do is take your shares and use them. Okay, and if you are on Robinhood, you don't want to be on the you know how you can share shares and you get an interest percentage back to you? It's only like 1%, 0.1%. It's nothing. Don't do it. You're gonna screw yourself. Okay, sorry. Thank you very, very much for that question. Okay, up on the board. I use TD, which I pay $10, $9.99 a trade. I use wealthsimple.com. It's my broker. That's my zero commission broker. I don't use them. That's only Canadian funds in the one. The other one's US funds. So if you want the code, it's down below in the description for wealthsimple.com, the broker. And you can use that activation code there. You have to put $100 and more. That's the only downfall. But most of you're not buying that many shares at this price now for that. So there we go. We just, our order went through, so it'll do something. I know. Oh, there's my order. I seen $10 come, 10 orders. No, I'm joking. I did see a 10 up there, but it's not. I doubt it. Okay, so What's up? What's up? Let's jump on in here, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go through here. We're gonna go through some numbers. Okay, sip of coffee first. Do you guys hear music in the back? Actually, I can check that. I won't even ask you guys because I do have the new software and I'm trying to get you guys some background music. Do you guys hear music in the back? Nothing. Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's all good. I just wanted a little bit of elevator music for you guys. It's actually pretty good stuff. I wouldn't feed you guys junk. Okay, so I'll hook that up and figure it out later on. So, anyways, we have already overturned. We are doing good. We are doing really good here. I just don't understand why we're having a bit of a sell here. That doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all. Just hang on a second. Just give me a second here, guys. We got some options expiring today, too. What are we at? $18. Oh, it tells you right there. Okay. 18 to do. Yeah, there's some big options expiring in here. Like these are 10,000, 40,000, 39, 8,000, right? So that'll be expiring. So that should jump the price up. That's probably why they're driving the price down on us. The order flow chart. Yeah, they've got us a bit right here. If you see that, they're about 0.10 above us. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Well, we got a discount. Actually, we paid $19, but it doesn't matter. That's how it goes. I went against my own rules today, but I'm adding to it, right? So, anyways, back to reality. We've already turnover. Okay, over to same thing. 7.254%, 5 now. It is doing pretty good. We're getting a little bit of side action right now, a little bit of consolidation, and that's what we need to bound this up. Remember what we got that tailwind yesterday? Okay, I want to explain something to you guys about this squeeze that is going to happen. I'm not going to say potentially because it is. It's going to happen. It's just we got to have the amount of volume and it just got to be the right time. These guys got to start buying back this short position. That's the only way this thing will squeeze. Okay? So, holy crap. We got a lot of volume coming in here. It's doubled in the last minute. Okay, so this is going to push us back up into the green. Probably in the next 10 minutes. I can't predict stuff, but I see a lot of volume. Look at that wave. Look at that order book wave, man. Look at things just rocking. This was like yesterday. We got a substantial amount of volume. We've already got 33.44 million already. We've only been open 13 minutes. So that's good. We've already overturned the free float. 500 million. See, those numbers don't mean anything to me because they're not correct. We already all know that. Okay, yeah, so we've already overturned 7.45% according to this chart. Take everything with a grain of salt, okay, on this chart. This Webull. Webull is pretty good, but who knows, right? We don't know. We don't know how they roll. We just know what we do, right? Wow, that's a lot of volume coming through there. I'm just looking at this. So at 1880 time of sales, 1980 right now we got drops of 100 coming through here. Look at those orders coming in. Yeah, see, there's more going out than in right now. There's more selling than coming in. That's what's going on. Which it is. Oh, that just switched. I take that back. Now it's coming up the other side. So a lot of people bought on the dip. So, anyways, good morning. Hope you all as well. Go AMC. Good morning, Kat. How are you doing? Thanks for joining us here today. I'm doing awesome. I think everybody else is doing good too. So I do want to jump around a little bit here. We're gonna let this do some side action here, some consolidating because that's what we need. We need about a 10-minute of consolidation here, and we need a good little cup. And once we get a cup with a couple greens, we'll get a red, green, and then a couple greens. We'll get that tailwind again, and it will shoot us back up. Okay? So we need volume for that. We need to consolidate for a while to get enough to get that tailwind. Okay, so I'm actually going to jump over to some other stuff. My portfolio, well, mine, Wolfpack's portfolio is doing deadly again, second day in a row. We do have a couple green or a couple red, but it is what it is, right? But it's doing good. BlackBerry's up another 10.5%. I got to get over here and have a look. Okay, I do put BlackBerry on the 30-min. Or in the 5-minute because it doesn't. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. Wolfpack, I did check. I thought it was $14 that we bought this. No, we were at like $21. So we're still down 52%, 53%, right? Or no, we're actually at 50% now. We were at 65% a couple days ago. So anyways, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm very transparent on here, and I'm not going to be one of these tubers that lie and say, "Oh yeah, man, I win." Life is not like that, guys. Okay, and if somebody's telling you that, they're full of crap. Okay, and I wouldn't even listen to them. I wouldn't even sponsor them if they're telling you that crap. Okay, you lose money, you make money. Okay, some of the best traders in the world lose money. They have $500,000 red days. Okay. I'm not going to mention names. Actually, I will. Warrior Trading, awesome guy, man. That's the shit. That's who I look up to, and I learn my stuff, a majority of it. I know a lot of stuff, but he has some good tricks. He does a lot of, I have his book, actually. You can download a free version off of his website. It's pretty good. Option trading and paper. He does day trading, okay? So he has like a deadly setup in his office, but he does scanners. He has scanners. Like we have 2 scanners here. He has like 5 scanners. He does crypto, does everything. He does Forex trading. We don't do that. We do strictly Canada, the States, and we do some crypto. Okay. We do not venture out into the Chinese, Korean market, the UK market. We don't do that. You can lose a substantial amount of money. Then you got to worry about exchange rates, all that stuff. Okay. If you do want to paper trade, you got to hook up an offshore account. There's rules in Canada and the States. You cannot trade more than 3 times a week, okay? I don't think a lot of you know that, but you'll get dinged on You'll get penalized, okay? Every trading platforms, every state's different, but that's the majority of the rules, okay? So you got to, like, you can't start paper trading, like trading 15 times a day. You'll get locked out. Okay, it doesn't work like that. You have to have a minimum of $25,000 or $24,000 in your account at all times. There's rules, okay? So let's stop babbling about that. So let's go where BlackBerry's doing good. I just want to check some past history. They're hitting new levels since way back. I'm looking over at AMC right now. We're still at the same range, $18.95. See, this is that range. We're at 36, and I hit right here. Here's where I bought. Where did I buy? Right in this range. I thought I was doing good. I was thinking, oh man, I know this stung a lot of people. But this in the next couple of years will be up to 50 to 100 plus. Okay? This is the next Tesla. And I don't care what anybody says, they have better software than Tesla does. Okay? And I'll argue tooth to nail on that one. Okay? They'll have over 3,000 patents that are not pending, their actual patents. And this was from 5 years ago. They were working on stuff that Tesla has. Tesla's banned in California for a reason, because they don't trust his software. It's been hitting people on the street and stuff. Just Google it. Oh, Air Canada. Air Canada, I own a lot of money in. It's a very good stock. It's our aviation sector. They're the giants up here. Same as down in the States. They have the American one, right? American Airlines. So anyways, we're up at $27, 30.36. We're at 1.90 in the green. I'm not going to be doing that much on this because it's this is a long stock. This is something you hold long. Okay, it's about 50% off sale right now. It does trade at over $50. Okay, Microvision. I'm just going to put that up there to make sure. Oh, AMC is doing a bit of a run. We're almost breaking even here. I'm just going to do a quick run down on Microvision. Ticker symbol MVIS. Microvision is $14.41. It's in the negative today of 2.24. They actually are going to have a little bit of a run here. I can see the symbols. This is a good buy-in right now. If you're going to buy Microvision, and I can't tell you what you do, but if it was me, but I don't know Microvision, I will not buy Microvision. Okay, There's too many negatives for it. But this is the buy-in. This is gonna have a bit of a go here. I don't know how high it's gonna go, but these are indicators right here. The indicators show that this is gonna go up. It could only go up 1%, but the indicators are there. They're showing me that it's a buy. Okay, that you could make money if you're paper handing this. Okay, so anyways, let's jump on back over to AMC, Entertainment Holdings. Okay, we're at $19.25. We did there. There's the indicator again. That's that indicator. There was your buy-in. Okay, there was your buy-in. Okay, this is gonna go back up. We are gonna hit green today. Don't worry about it, guys. It's gonna happen. Okay, it's gonna happen. Let's just chill out for a bit and watch this. I need to have a coffee. It's been a long night. Okay. See, I got I think I got a line drawn at 21. Yeah. See? Look I'm pretty good at predicting stock. So we have actually gained money today on the stock we just bought this morning. We've already gained 50 cents, 52 cents. That's how you make money, guys. Okay? I'm not paper handing it or else I'd flip it. Okay? I wouldn't flip it until near the end of the day or after power hour. But don't sell this. You will not be able to buy back in. You will screw yourself. Okay? Here we go. Right to the green. Just like that. Oh, I just got one of my alerts went off on my phone here. See, I have notifications set everywhere. I get notifications coming everywhere. So, I do have them set for the squeeze too. Okay, I'll be watching it, but I do have that stuff set. Okay, we need to get a little bit of more consolidation here to bust, because we do have a resistance point here. Let's just pull this back up here. We need to get past this level here, and we're going to do it right now. Watch this. If not, we'll do it on the next over 2 candles over. We might need a little bit more consolidation to bust that. See, we're stuck in a resistance right now. We're stuck on this point right here. There we go. We just tested it and got drove back down. Shit. We need more volume. That's all it is more volume. Come on, lock in on a green, guys. Come on. That's all we need. Bounce it. These are every minute it goes over, right? That's what a 1 minute chart means. There we go. Come on. Come on. Take it. Take it. There we go. We just broke through it. Yes! We got her. It's in the bag now, guys. Okay. If we can hold that and lock that in, yeah, we're doing it. We're driving it to new levels right now for the day. Okay, what we got to get past today is we got to get past this line up here. Okay, we got to break that. Oh, sorry. We got to bust this, and I'm very confident that we will do that today. Okay. I just want to check out the pivots here. See, I knew we were par. We're about halfway between our first line of resistances at 2060. I really don't agree on that number. I know it's Weeble, but I have my own beliefs. What is it? I have it written down here. I've been doing homework. Where did I put that now? $20.37. 2038 is the number. Okay, that's our number. Wolfpack's number. I know because that's what we tested back months ago. Okay, that's what we need to do. That's the problem, that level. Between 20 and 2040, that's the level we have to achieve. And then after that, we are in untested waters there, ladies and gentlemen. All the indicators are off the frigging table, okay? My indicators, I'll be watching them for signals, but they don't mean nothing. There's no past for it to judge on, to calibrate on. It is new. It's all new to us, okay? So it's all just fun and games then. Then the sweat's on. To the new subscribers joining, you're welcome to hit the sub button. You're like I do, I'll do podcasts every morning at the same time. Pacific Standard Time would be 6:25. We open 5 minutes before the market opens, so I can get everything set up and you guys can ask questions if you have any questions. We do have Patreon now. We do have a Patreon account. If you look down below on the screen, you can actually talk live to me. I'm in the midst of still setting it up. There's 2 different tiers. There's 3 different tiers on there. I'm going to be eliminating one. Okay, there's a $4 and there's a $20. Okay, the $4 one, you can just do sporadic texting, that stuff. It's just basic, okay? The $20, you can do live talk with me. You can actually live chat with me twice a week, and you can do it, we can either do it on 2 different platforms if you have Facebook, or we can do it on Zoom, or we can do it right out of 3. Sorry, we can do it right on YouTube, okay? And that is a $20 a month subscription. It comes out every first of the month, okay? I just had to go through that. It's brand new. And I just can't tell you guys, just in case you, I just want to be very transparent. I can't tell you guys what to do and buy. So if you get on there and you pay the subscription for the month on Patreon, and you're expecting me to tell you how to trade and what to buy and when to buy, I legally can't do that, guys. Just don't. If that's what you want, don't waste your money. I'm here to save money. But if you want to talk to me about stuff and ask me if you own stocks, to go back and read charts and do analysis on it, yes, I can do that. I can also word it, this is what I would do too, okay? Just I can't specifically tell you what to do. There is ways around it though. Okie dokie. Okay, yeah, here we go. Let's have a look here. I wanted to, just give me a second here. GME is still fighting. They're locked in at that negative 2.4%. They're at 237.89. So look at this. I just wanted to show you guys. You should be very proud of yourself. Look at the work we've done. This is beautiful. This is beautiful stuff, man. Like, look at this frigging chart. Come on. This is a moneymaker. Okay? Just look. We just broke that. Okay, well now we're up there. We did it. Okay, we did it. Let's get back off this. Put it back on the 1 minute. We did it. We broke that line. Remember I told you once we bust that line, it's going to be free sailing? Okay, I wouldn't lie to you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen too. I know there's ladies on here. Sorry, Kat. Just it's slang term, right? Okay, there we go. We got to bust that 20. If we bust the 20, we're doing it. Come on. If we break that 20, you guys do not know. This friggin' thing could go. When this thing squeezes, within minutes, it can hit $100. Okay? That's how this works when it squeezes. Okay? I'm not saying it's going to squeeze today. I legally can't say it, but there we go. We just broke the 20. Okay, we need 20. See it? It drove us back down because there's a lot on that 20. That line of resistance at 20 is huge, huge, huge. It's going to take a lot to break through that. It's going to reject us probably a couple times, okay? Just don't panic. We're going to do it. Come on, guys. That's why I bought this morning. That's why I put money in this morning. We've already gained $1. We've already gained $1. So we already made on that one order, we already made, I can't figure it out, $1, I don't know, 10% that would be, right? We already made 10% on our money. That's not bad for a day, right? So far. There we go. We just did it. See how fast it jumps after we get through 20? That's what I'm talking about. It'll go like wildfire. It'll frigging just shoot right up there as fast. Depends on the volume. This is very versatile. Once we bust past let's check out. I say it's, I have my own numbers. There we go. Watch this. Watch this. Once we bust through that resistance level 1 at $20.60, I say it's 2037, 2038 to be actually positive. I don't believe this. Okay. Just, you guys can do your own DD on it, but I have my own. I've been doing this for a long time. There we go. We got 42. We just did it. We broke our goal. Okay. This thing's going to take right off. Watch this. As soon as we hit over this, it's going to go crazy. We could jump like $5 just in seconds. Watch. I'm not saying it's going to, but that is called a gamma squeeze. Okay. We are potentially hitting into a gamma squeeze in a bit. Not a short squeeze because the shorts haven't covered yet. Okay. You got to know the difference. There we go. We just broke that. Watch this thing just go crazy. We broke the 240. We got through their so-called line of resistance. We just tapped it. We're tapping it right now. Come on. We get a little bit of consolidation. We need it. It's a serious level. Like this is, after this, there is no, like I said, all indicators and everything are off the table. This is just strictly mind power. doing the diagnostics and analysis. Okay, there's nothing that will work. There's guidelines, but we're in new territory. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, let it ride. Let it come over a couple reds. We need the consolidation to drive this, or else it'll just screw us. Okay, this is fine. They can play around all they want. Oh, sorry guys. Price alert. I just got another price alert. See, the phone's keeping track. I have all my stuff set up. You guys should have your stuff set up. I don't know if you do. I can't tell you guys enough. Okay, I'm allowed to tell you guys that. I would definitely be taking your sell limits off, your upper sell limits and bottom, because this thing might wave down to 10% and then go back up again. It's going to be a wild frigging ride. You're going to be like, holy crap. This thing will be jumping. Like the thing will be just woof and take right off within a minute, back down, back up, back down. It's going to be very violent. Okay. So be prepared. Like, don't be selling and all that. Just, you got to relax. Okay. This could hit in the thousands, okay? There's a lot of people, I've talked to a lot of my friends that are, I got one that's actually a trader, a professional trader. Like, he works at a hedge fund, but let's just not go there. But I get a lot of information from him. He's very, very transparent with me, okay? We became very good friends, okay? I don't like what he does, but they do a lot of donations to charity and stuff. So I don't know. It's a gray area. But I like picking his brain for information. And he's up in Canada. He's not down in the States. He's not one of the ones that did that hurt the 2008 and all that. He was not involved in that. So here we go. We got to bust that. Remember I said that 260? That's their number. That drove us back down. So we got to bust that right now. But yeah, this thing will be very violent. That's volticity. That's what they mean by that. That it can go up and down. That's what the definition means. Volatile. I'm just going to check the volume here. Yeah, we had a lot of volume here. This took us out. This is what took us right here. This is what took us out of that minus, was this buy-in right here. This big chunk coming in here. That's what changed the game. Why is this chart? Oh, yeah, because I need to get up here further. I wish I could pull the chart down, but this platform doesn't let you do that. Okie dokie dokie dokie. I'm just going to do a scan over here to have a look. Sundial's just giving her today, too. Sundial is, I'm not going to jump off here because I want to keep an eye on this. Sundial is ticker symbol SNDL. That is Canadian marijuana stock, cannabis. It's trading at 0.8885. 0.8850. It's plus 3.23. Microvision, didn't I call it? Is now in the green. Didn't I just tell you guys that was a buy? Okay, now it's in the green at 14.83. It's 0.54%. Didn't I call it? It was at -4. I said that was going to go to a green in the next couple trades. Just like that. It's on the signals. You got to be able to read the chart. Okay? That's why I have schooling on weekends. Okay? I know it might not look, but subconsciously you're learning. If you read those, listen to those charts, verbatim it. And I'm going to probably be on Spotify. Okay, for audio. We're working on that too. So it might be taking too much. I might be taking a little bit too much on at once here. I do want a life. Okay, enough of that. We're at AMC, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. We're at $20.45. Positive in the green. $4 and here we go. Here we go. We broke it. Watch this thing go. Remember I told you it goes crazy when you break through the resistance levels? There, we just broke it. Okay, all indicators are off the table right now. They're just guidelines. We're in uncharted water. There's nothing nobody can say and predict right now. Nobody knows. Nobody on the planet knows what's going to happen. Okay? Including me. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Oh my God. This is so amazing. I don't know how, I don't know if you guys really understand about these, the laws of physics with stock charts. What we just did right now. We just screwed the hedgies big time. They're screwed now. Wait until these options, we could potentially hit a gamma squeeze today, okay? That's a little bit of a gamma. A gamma can go into a short squeeze, just so you know, okay? We're potentially hitting a gamma, okay? I'm not saying it is. A little bit higher. If we hit in the 15 range again, 20, 30%, that's a gamma squeeze. If it hits up into the 30, 40s, we're in the squeeze, okay? We just made a lot of money this morning just on those stocks. Here we go. See how fast it can climb once, because we have no resistance points left. Okay? So even though that it shows R1, R2, this stuff, these are just guidelines now. There's nothing that this thing can calibrate to. There's no past history. This stock's never traded this high in its life. Okay? In the last year. Anyways, sorry. I got to recorrect that. I have not done past history over the last 5 years. I only look at the one first year. That's all I go by. Okay? Oh, sorry. I wanted to see something here. We're about halfway between R2. Okay, yeah. We're getting a crossover here. So we got buy signals. That's the buy signal right here. Here was your, that's another buy-in level. Okay, we are going to get a little bit of side action here. We just had the crossover here. That's a sell signal. The MA just crossed to the EMA. That's a sign that it's going to do a bit of a sell. Okay, guys? It's fighting. Look at that. It's just bouncing. Usually it would go right down like that. Remember back in the day, we didn't have as much volume. Remember, it would just drive us right down, right back down to 18 bucks, just like that. Okay? It won't do that. There's no frigging way. And they're ladder attacking this right now. Guaranteed they're speed trading. But they can't, it's actually, the algorithm is actually screwing them because we have too much volume coming in. They got to watch what they do because it actually might help us out. Okay, look at these order numbers down here. Look how fast the computer can't even keep up. And I got like one of the best computers on the market. Look how fast those numbers are coming through. Okay, we got FOMO happening. People are fear-mongering. People are jumping in here, wanting to be part of this. That's what this is. This is pure retail buy-in right now. Okay? Because nothing's expiring. Like there's nothing, I think there's some shorts. Actually, no, there's actually a bunch of shorts that have expired, but they don't have to deliver yet. Okay? There's dates on that. Okay, come on. Pull back together lines. Pull back together and cross over. I want that EMA to cross over the MA. So we will get this. We need this, and we're going to get, if we get a green after this, it's going to go again. Okay? Okay, GameStop just broke out of the red zone. It gained about 2% in the last 2 minutes. Here we go. Watch this. Here we go. We're going to test it again. We're going to get 21, 27. That's what we got to get. We got to get past that number. They're fighting like hell. Oh, man, they're hating this. They're losing trillions of dollars right now. And I mean, I'm not bullshitting you. Like, this is serious stuff. We are very serious right now. We've done it. You guys should be patting yourselves on the back that bought this stock. Okay, you're going to make yourself a very fat chunk of cash. Okay? Wow. Look at those orders coming in. Holy crap. I'm actually going to pull this bottom chart up a little bit for you guys so you can see how fast this thing's going. Check that out. Holy crap. Okay, here we go. So my throat's bothering me today. I'm just going to set some more alarms here, guys. if your alarms have already gone off, you got to reset them again. If you've already set them for $20 on your trading apps, you got to reset them. Okay, you got to put a higher standard. Okay, not your sell limits. That's totally different. I'm talking notification alarms. Okay. There we go. Yep. There we go. That's right, baby. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. We just cranked over 11% right now. Here we go. Watch this. We're going to get a little bit of a side action. We need it. We need to keep on consolidating it. It's like a ladder. We're taking chunks, okay? But notice it won't drive right back down here. We notice that the past history, this thing could go way back down here. And we're like, holy crap. I just lost like thousands of dollars. It won't do that. Okay. It won't do that today. Not that with that much volume. We are protected. Look at this order. It's tripled. Look at the orders coming in right now. Look at that. Like my computer cannot keep up. Look at that. That's doubled since last time I said it. Look how fast the volume's coming in up here, guys. It's tanking. Tanking in a good way, not like tanking in a bad way. Like it's tanked, right? It's like giving her. Cool. So we're already at, what time is it? 7 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. 7. I guess it would be like 12, I guess, Eastern. And we are trading volume at 993 million shares already. We've already overturned 20.71% already in 1 hour. Holy crap. Wow. There's a lot of people that are buying this right now, retail investors. They want to be part of this. They should have bought back down. But hey, whoa, watch yourself. Watch what you're saying, Cameron. It's okay if you buy at this, okay? But that's why I bought this morning at $19. Okay, so we're going to come over to GME here. We're going to check that out. We are going to check out, okay, GME, ticker symbol GME. This is GameStop. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You guys are going to need a little bit more volume in here. Definitely. You need double the volume to drive this like right up there. But if you hold this for the day, it's not bad, okay? So, actually, they've traded quite a bit of volume today. Huh, not bad. 3.4 million. You have to remember, these are expensive. Like, if you're rich, you buy this stuff. Okay, this is going to squeeze too. Okay, don't know when. Okay, definitely on this one, it'll be cranking up to $300-400 and even higher. Okay, it's just a matter of time. When the shorts have to cover their positions, the same thing. There's not as much volume, but for this, the volume's not bad. Okay, so it's going to be a wild ride, the same as the other one. What this needs to do is get some more volume in here. It needs to trade sideways for a bit and then get that tailwind and take it back up to the next level. They're all the same. That's how all stocks work, okay? These volatile stocks anyways. They've already turned over 5%, okay? I'm going to jump off here because there is some other stuff. Anybody else want me to cover anything else? Actually, we're going to come with Doge here for a minute. Okay, Dogecoin. Is at 0.3414, is exactly 2% across the board. We are not going to do any diagnostics on this. We are not going to dive in here and dig on this one today. We're not digging in any stocks. We'll just purely have a look at them. The COVID pill, AEZS, is at par today. I was actually going to buy some of that. It was between that and the AMC. I went to AMC. I got to support the movement. So I can always buy that other one whenever. So, BlackBerry is down now, down to 2.18%. Oh, it is what it is. At least it stays green. I'll take the green. Okay, back over to AMC. AMC Entertainment Holdings, ticker symbol AMC, is at $21.61, 10% across the board. Wow, this is nuts, nuts, nuts. We're having a beautiful day. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Let's pat ourselves on the back here. Let's go to the 30-minute here. Let's have a good look. Now check that out. That's because of you guys. Okay? You guys did that on that chart. Oh, whatever TV I'm pointing, but I'm pointing the camera. You guys did that. That's you. That's retail investors. You should be very proud of yourself being part of this movement. This will only a one-time thing. This will never happen again in your lifetime, probably, like this degree. When this thing takes off, trust me, I'll be recording the whole thing. Okay, we're going to put this back on the 1 minute. And there you go. Let's check out some new levels here. We have smashed through. Oh, we've tested level resistance 2. Okay, we did break through it once before, and we're going to do it right now. There we go. See that? Their computer glitched. It wasn't mine. That was actually the stock market's computer glitched. It had to reload. It had to stop the market for a half a second. And now it goes again. Because there's no way it would stop. Look at these orders coming in now. We got some big chunks. There's some people buying a lot of stuff. See this. That's not necessarily one person buying. That could be like a trading platform at that price. They compile it and then they'll sell it. Compile, sell. Okay, just so you're aware on that. Okay, like when I bought my shares this morning, they wouldn't have come up as like whatever amount of shares we bought. It wouldn't say that. Okay, just so you know, right? Oh, nice, beautiful. We gotta get. Here's what I'm gonna put a line here for you guys. Let's put some trend lines up. Oh. Okay, what the... the stupid thing's messing with me again. What the hell? It don't like me. This thing don't like... I'm not messing with it today. I'll end up screwing this all up again. I did set one up here. It must have got erased. So anyways, tomorrow what I'll do is I'll have the chart all set up again. I'm gonna do a but it will let me do it down here. Why won't it let me do it up there? That doesn't matter. That doesn't make sense. Huh. Oh, there's my line. That's that line. Oh, never mind. Piece of crap. I don't know. It won't let me put a line up there for some reason. But yet it'll let me here. That doesn't make sense. Okay, let's leave that there. Fine then. Be like that. We're going to lock that in. Okay. I do want to check that. Oh, our line's pretty much resistance level 2. Okay, we are at $21.54, 10.38, and we're going to smash this right now. Come on. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It might drive it back down. Oh, we're fighting like hell. Look at the order chart now, guys. Look at that. Don't worry about that. Don't be getting upset. That we need. Look at the volume coming in. Look at the sales. Somebody's dumping. Okay, somebody's dumping a lot of stock right now. Did you see that big dump? There's probably 1 million shares they just dumped on the market. That's probably, 2,176 shares got dumped in the market just there in one candle. Okay, that's definitely that would be it. Wouldn't not a retail investors for sure. That is an institution or wanna dump the rest of their shares in. Who knows, right? We don't know that stuff, right? But yeah, we're getting a substantial amount of selling off right now. We're just eating it up. We're eating that up like Pac-Man. Retail investors are eating that up right now. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna need a little bit more side action before we'll tailwind. Okay, we are gonna have to fight like hell to get through this. We've already touched this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. The wick touched it too, but that's the same thing. It's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Oh, this is a buy-in right here. We're going to have an upswell. Right here. Watch this. Might bounce over one more time, but we will get that upswing and kick us like we do every level. See that? Up here, kicks up. Up here, kicks up. Okay? Holy crap. I'm glad this is all getting recorded. This is awesome, man, because I'm going to show like my grandkids this. Eh? I'm definitely going to show my grandkids this when my kids have kids. My son is he actually is the one that told me about this in January. Like I did trading before, but I knew about this stock, but I didn't know that about the short interest, like how bad they've shorted it. And then I started doing my own homework and looking, hey, this thing trades at $20, $14 anyway. So if we bought in at like 14, 20 bucks, which we have like now we own shares at 8.20, 14.30 something, I think, and now at 19 because we just bought some this morning. And we've already made money on that. See? Okay, what this is going to cause right now, this is going to cause a buy-in. This is what people are waiting for is these dips, okay? So if it was me, I'd be purchasing right now. This is what you do. If it's me, this is what I did. That's what I did this morning. I waited for the dip, okay? Because this might not dip this level again. You might never see this level again until the squeeze is over, okay? You might. I'm not putting that in stone, okay? But if you want to buy, if it was me, I'd be purchasing. I would have purchased at the beginning, but it is those red dips, like where it drops 2-3% down, those are purchasing orders. That's when you want to throw your purchase order in, okay? Because you might not see these levels again. And you're welcome to use my broker if you want. If you're new to trading on here and you want to start trading and you're up in Canada, you can use my Canadian broker, or you can use the American broker, the TD one. It's up to you. But if you want to use wealthsimple.com, the description's down below. You can use the activation code for referral, and you can get yourself $10 free Canadian money put towards the stocks. Hey, brother, how's it going? AMC to the moon. Yep, it is. It definitely is going to the moon, man. That rocket's sitting there. It's out in my driveway right now. I'll swing by and pick you guys up, okay? I'll do some sideways action before I go to the moon to pick you guys all up. Here we go. Watch this. Watch this. Remember I told everybody's going to buy in? This is how it works, okay? This is pure FOMO. Fear of, okay, FOMO means the fear of not being part of something. Okay, so when people see dips like that, they want in. They want to be part of this movement, which is, we love it. That's all retail investors. Bring it on. Bring it. We need them. We need them. Okay? The fear of not being part of something. Okay? It's just human nature. Just my advice, if it was me doing it, I would wait till the dips. Okay? And you're not going to probably see it in the red. Okay? Today. So whatever, if you're purchasing today, you better get on it because you better buy when it's like in the red. Like here comes a red right now. That's it. Just if it was me though, I say that because you guys can read between the lines just because of legality. Okay, here we go. That's what I would have bought. See, this is your buy points. Okay, right there. And you might have another one right here before it goes up. Okay, I'm not that. I'm not a freaking genius, or else I'd be a multimillionaire. But I'm going to be a multimillionaire as soon as this thing squeezes. If this thing hits $1,000, I'm a multimillionaire, okay? The wolf pack is, not me. That's not my money. I'll take a percentage of it, but no, it's reinvested back into our stock. It's reinvested back in not AMC, but it's a percentage of it's put back into our portfolio for the wolf pack, and the rest is donated to the Animal Society and a little bit to the Cancer Lodge. And that's it. And a couple of trips to Mexico for Moa, because I'll be doing trading on the beach. I do trading on the beach every year. So I do live trades. Here we go. See, that's what I mean, how fast it can jump. See that? I told you guys to buy in down here. Or no, I never told you to buy it. I told you if there was a wolf pack, I would have bought in down here. This, like I said, now it's, it'll go up like that. Do you see it? It'll be doing that in chunks of 50, okay? 100. when it starts squeezing. You're going to go, holy crow. So yeah, when this starts squeezing, I'm going to, like I said, I'll be on live. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to do some other ticker symbol reading. I'm not going to come off this screen because we could potentially hit a gamma squeeze and I don't want to miss it. GME, ticker symbol GME is GameStop. If you're not aware of that, it is at $2. It's trading at $2.48 0.50. So in plain English, that's $248.50. It's at 2.64%. Wow, we're tanking on 14. Look at this go. Wow, this is friggin' amazing, apes. Wolfpack, apes, same thing. Okay, we're going to have to get some, we're going to run out of steam here, guys. It's going to, potentially we're going to need a little bit more consolidation here. But look at the order book. Look at this go. We've got so much volume coming in here that this, look on the volume up here. Look at this thing go. We're cranking in the millions at a time coming in. Millions of shares are being bought up right now. Those hedgies are crapping their friggin' pants right now. Okay, we are, I just noticed an order of sale come in, a big one. Okay, so what that'll do is we'll eat that up right now. See, we're just chewing it up. See, it can't come down. It's coming down a little bit and bounce it back up. We're just eating it up. As fast as it comes in, we're buying it up. Beautiful, 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 beautiful stuff. Pretty sexy, man. That looks sexy. Oh, that looks sexy. Beautiful. That's sexy, man. If it wasn't such an ugly looking tattoo, I'd get it. I'd add it to all the rest of mine. So, I'm looking at everything else. BlackBerry's at 11.69. It's actually gone up a percent, 1%. Okay. COVID pill is actually at 1% in the positive right now. It's 1.051, whoever bought that the other day. Okay, let's go have a closer look here. Okay, isn't it true? Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. Sorry, Kat. Isn't it true to hold until June 2nd? Okay, okay. There is an annual. Yes, there is. If you don't buy shares by the 30th, okay, by market close, okay, they do not count for the share count. Okay, just so you're aware of that. That is factual information. Okay, that is the truth. Okay, what date are we today? I don't know. I've stayed up for so many days in a row, I don't even know anymore. Let me check. Or my computer tells me. We're at the 27th. So I'd say the 29th. Is that a weekend? Just hang on a second, guys. I will find out some correct information for you here. Let me do some digging, if you don't mind. Yeah, I've already had 3 alarms go off on my on my scanners stating that this thing is showing signals of power. Okay, we're at 22. AMC Entertainment Holdings is at 22.72, 16.8%. And it's only in the morning. Pacific's time, it's only standard time. It's only 7:29 in the morning. Half the people haven't even got out of bed yet that trade. Okay? This thing doesn't start rocking until 10 or 11. And then she goes for a friggin' wait until then. We're going to have a very good day, Wolfpack. Very good. I probably already made, I can just do the math, about $5,000 US today. That's how much I've already made on this stock. And I hope you guys all make the same, okay? Of course you do. Of course you're going to do good. Wow, we're at 17.5%. Here we go. Wow. We just need a little bit of consult. Beautiful. This is trading really nice. This is actually a good chart to teach on. This is a really good chart to teach somebody how to read stock. Buy point, right there. You could say that one too, but I would take that one. Look how close these lines are together. That's what you want. You don't want them pulling apart too far, especially when the EMA crosses with the MA. The MA crosses over the EMA. You don't want them to pull apart too much, because that shows that there's a lot of volume for sale. Okay, we're at 22. We're at almost $23. Holy crap. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. No, that can't be right. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. $4 difference. Holy shit. I made about $7,000. And on the other one stock, we made 40, 30, 20%. No, we bought it in the minus, didn't we? Yeah, it's crazy. I'll look later on. I'll post this tomorrow on our video. Okay, what I tried to show you guys live. It's just that I'm getting feedback from the LEDs on the camera. Okay, what was I doing? Too much on my mind. I keep on getting memorized by this screen here. Oh yeah, your pants are down. Yeah, no kidding. My pants are down. Oh, right on. Sorry, I read that wrong. I thought you were talking about me, and I said, no shit, they are. Yeah, no doubt. You must be, I'm tripping, man. Because if you're an experienced trader, I know it's the beautiful thing. We are getting so beautiful of action right now. This is it, guys. No, I'm not. This is not the squeeze. This is it. This is how it's done. We're not in a squeeze. We're not in the gamma squeeze. We are strictly just trading with volume. Okay? And people are fearing to be part of the action. That's what this is. Pure retail investors. Look at this. Usually this thing would shoot down $3, $4. Remember in the past, if you know about this stock, no, it's just sitting there going, and then it'll go back up because we're eating the stock up. Everything that comes for sale, all the retail investors are eating it up, which is beautiful. Okay. Just give me a minute here. I'm actually going to check some information. Kat had a question. I don't want to be rude. I want to check this out. Okay. Yeah. You guys want to, we're checking the dates. Just hang on a second. June 2nd is on a Wednesday. Okay. Your last buys, because you can buy on the weekend, but it won't count. It won't count for the share count. Okay, that's all going to be, it won't be counted in. Trust me, I know this. They need a couple days to do it. Your last day is Friday, guys. If you don't buy into this Friday, you screwed yourself. Okay, you're pretty much screwing yourself. Okay, here we go. Here's a dip. Here's a dip. Here's a buy dip. Right there. I don't know if it's going to go any lower, but like I said, I bought on a high too, right? But it is what it is, right? You got it. This is what people will do. They're going to buy on this dip. And institutions, so you got to buy before market. I would buy an hour before power hour, because when it hits power hour on that day, this thing could potentially be up double what it is though by then. So if you're going to buy, if you're waiting for payday, it could bite you in the butt. Okay. But yeah, if you're going to buy, 28th's last day. That's it. You can't buy on the weekend, right? Because the order it will be filled on Monday. It's the 31st. 30th is the last day that they count the stock, and that's it. That's it. They're doing a share count. Okay? That's AMC is doing a share count. Just so you're correct on that. Just so we're correct on that. Okay? It's my buddy's birthday coming up. I won't be mentioning him live on here. Probably kick my ass. But yeah. So anybody new passing through, hit the sub button. We cover this live every morning, and if I can't when I get back to work, I definitely will be sending out an SOS. I've already got the software made. I've already got the thumbnails made. I made them all this morning. So all I'd have to do is go click, and it goes right out to you guys. Okay, to tell you that we are in a squeeze, to watch what's going on, and when we have a bit of a sell-off coming down, I will send out another one. Okay, I know I'm rehashing myself, but there's new people passing through, and I want to make sure everybody gets the fair treatment on my channel. Okay? I know I sound like a broken record. Somebody said, you're annoying. Put in my comments. I'm annoying. Sorry, buddy. Well, there's only like millions of channels out there. Why didn't you go bounce somewhere else? Go lose your money somewhere else, man. So, anyways. Here we go. That was a perfect opportunity to buy. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, we're going to check some, oh, no way. No way. We smashed another day. We smashed it. We smashed it. If that hits 20%, we smashed it. What is that? 23, 20, 29. I'm writing that down. I like to keep track of all this. I'm weird. I'm a weird guy. But it helps you guys out, right? Because then I can put a chart up for you tomorrow morning. What was that, 23? Because we're going to break that easy. We'll break that level today, for sure. 23, 29. Okay, I'm going to take that off here because it's hard to read the chart. 23, 29 is our golden number. Okay, we have a crossover here. MA crossed over the MA. Oh, Hector. Anyways, how you doing, buddy? I see. Thanks for the comments yesterday. I think that was you that put it on my wall there. I think it was. Yeah, I think it was. But anyways, thank you anyways. Welcome to the channel. You joined a while ago, about a week ago, right, my friend? I can't keep, we've got so many subs now, I can't keep track of them. I just know number 666 because he joked about it. I can't. At first, I could pick and choose who everybody was. Hey, you're number so and so. It's growing fast, and I'm not complaining. Thank you, everybody. Right from the Wolf Pack, straight up. I know you guys are keeping it real. That's why you're here, because you want the real goods. Anything else? Does anybody have any questions? Okay. So what will happen if you buy after the share count? Your shares don't get counted on the share count. That's it. End of story. So it doesn't really do anything. It's just that we would like, it helps everybody out if you buy the shares because it shows more naked shares. So if you buy shares before the share count, what will happen is if you own naked shares, I own naked shares. For sure I do. I own fraudulent shares. You probably do too. You just don't know it. That's why they're doing, because my bank would have sold them to me. They don't know. Right? There's no way of finding out unless they do a shared count. That's why they're doing it. Okay. And they're saying 40 million, but I think it's higher than that. I think it's I'd say it's double that. And that's a lot. That's a lot because we've already gone through 157 million. Oh yeah, I should go through the numbers here while it's consolidating. So we are trading AMC for everybody that's joined on. AMC Entertainment Holdings is the ticker symbol. We're trading at $22.76. It's at $16.18. And we've traded 157.86 million shares already. It is a beautiful thing. We've been open. The bell has been rang an hour and 5 minutes ago, roughly. This is insane. We're smashing yesterday, just so you know. Smashing it. Okay, here's your buy-ins, guys. Here's your dip. And I know a lot of you are in the money now because there's no way that you are all in the money. Because unless you bought at $23, unless you'd bought like today, you all have to be in the money because it's impossible that you're not. Okay, because the last trading session, what was that? Let's check the numbers out. Oh, sorry. It actually, look, the 52-week high, we smashed the record. We smashed the record today, guys. We cranked on it. Fucking A. Yeah, that's huge. I didn't realize that. Okay, we broke new charted territory. I knew that, but it wasn't computing. I got too much on my mind right now. So what that means is that everybody's in the money. Every one of us. Okay? So it's just up now. It's just unless you would have bought it 23 up in this range right here, then obviously you're still gonna make money today because it's gonna go up. It's not gonna bleed out. This will not bleed today. There's no frigging way this will bleed. Okay, we got way more volume coming in now. Look at the order sheet down here, guys. There's a whole bunch of people buying this dip. Watch this thing go. Watch this go. We're setting ourselves up for a huge run. We're probably going to gain another 50 cents to $1 something. And there's a lot of selling right now. It's not retail investors. Maybe a little bit, maybe like a low percentage, but no. It's probably people that have, or retail investors that have held this like at the $2 range, dollar range, they're dumping it. That they're happy with what they got, okay? Or they're just not educated on what's going to happen. Or they don't believe them, they don't believe, they're fear mongers, right? They fearmonger their own brains. They talk themselves into stuff that isn't true, isn't factual information. You got to look at the numbers. But we do have retards playing against us. That's the hedgies, right? But like I said, they're trying everything right now. Oh, this is a beautiful buy-in right now. Perfect opportunity. Perfect. Yeah. Here we go. Watching the next 5 minutes here. Or even sooner. It's going to crank. I'm sorry, my caps lock stuck on there. Whoo, it's getting hot in this place. Holy crap. My office is just cooking right now. I can't have the window open because the traffic going by with the rain on the road. It's so loud. Thanks for the rockets. Right on. Okay. This is crazy, crazy, crazy stuff, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Wolf Pack. Welcome to the Wolf Pack, guys, that just got online. It's a beautiful thing today. This is beautiful. Very sexy looking. I love it. I love it. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about because we can play with the screen. Look at that. You guys did that today. Okay? That's awesome. Awesome stuff. 25 today? I don't think so. I actually, let me think about that. We got a lot of volume. We're getting consolidation. Just let me look at the numbers. We're already at 166.73 million shares, and we've already gone up $3, though. We've already gone up $3 today. It's huge. It's huge. We freaking accomplished, like, we climbed a mountain already. So I don't like to put my my reputation on a number, especially an even number, because for it to be even is 1 in a million. Okay, but I could see us getting into the $24 range, though $23.50 range. I could see us definitely getting up in this area here again, up a little bit higher. I would love it to be obviously 25 plus. Because I would have made over 10 grand today, just in one account. Okay, I would love that. But yeah, not a problem. But yeah, I could definitely we could be testing those waters. Like I said, we're in unfamiliar territory right now, guys. This is like all indicators are just guidelines now. So we have this pullback here a bit. This is the buy-in power. That's your area right there. When I do that is I'm trying to teach you guys, and if you're like, oh, I know this stuff. Psychologically, trading is a lot of mind power. Okay, you got to overpower a lot of things in life. Okay, fear mongering, news. Okay, people that aren't educated, right? And a lot of people on platforms. I'm not going to say just YouTube, but on platforms don't know what the hell they're talking about. Okay, including me sometimes. I might make a mistake. Okay, but that's what my chat bar is for, is a correction. And then what I'll do is come on the next podcast and say that I'm wrong, or I misread it, interpreted it wrong. Okay? It's learning. Nobody in the world knows everything about the stock market. It is set up for you to lose. It's the same as a casino. The numbers and odds are against you. Okay? They are. Right? And if you don't think that, you better pull your head out of your ass. Okay? Because it is. Okay? And once you realize that, life will be a lot easier when you're doing trading. Okay? Sorry for being very assertive on that. It's just that I just don't want people getting that wrong mindset. Like, I'm the best. I'm this. You'll lose money that way. Okay? You want to go into it level playing field, knowing that the odds are against you. So then your mind will start working and thinking, okay, I already have, the stuff's against me. Then you subconsciously make decisions. Sometimes have you ever bought stuff and you're like, I don't know why. Like this morning, subconsciously, I bought those AMC stock. Even though it was in the green, I knew that it was going to go higher today. Do you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it goes, if you listen to your stomach and not your heart, right, on a decision, you'll lose money. Okay, like on BlackBerry. I was in it for the greed. Okay, I bought that stock for greed. Okay, this, it's in my heart. I really feel, and I feel very good about this from past history in the news and stuff, that this stock sits at the $14 and $20 range. Okay, that's why I own it $8 and something. Okay, through one platform, and then through the other platform, I own at $14 range. I own like another 700 or 800 some odd shares there. And then we bought some shares today at $19. Okay. Because I know now I will not buy. I'm done. Okay. Because that's what I know. That's on research. I'm not saying for anybody else not to buy. If you haven't bought yet, yeah, you definitely want to buy on these dips. Like we're in a dip right now. That's just, that's if it was me, that's what I would do. I'm not saying not buy this. You can do whatever you want. I can't tell you what to do. And that's what people are buying right now. That's what's raising the price up, right? But I'm just saying that I've already done my research on this stock. Okay. And I know a lot of my followers have bought, in those ranges because that's what we talk about. Right. And they've seen me do it and they've done it. And I know one or two that are on now that have made some money today. Okay. And I'm very proud of you. That's coming from me as the Wolf Pack. Cameron Simpson from CS Trades is very, very proud of you today. Okay. Just don't fearmonger into selling. Okay. I can't tell you what to do. I know that everybody has bills and stuff. And if you've flipped your money already and you're happy with that, just think twice before you do it. Okay. Things could get very crazy in the next week or so. Okay. So anyways, I love you guys. Just joking. Just trying to make some humor. That's what this channel's all about. Okay? That's why you guys joking around with the guy with Hector with his pants down on there. That's what we want. That's what we want. Okay? We want those jokes. Okay. Enough emotional stuff. You get me all teary-eyed now. So, anyways, let's jump on in here. And newcomers, hit the sub button because we'll be doing this through the squeeze and everything. Because if you don't sub, I can't get a hold of you. Like, there's no way. There's no way I can send you the information. Okay, we've already, wow, the market cap 1 billion already, 10 billion shares. That's freaking nuts. That's how much money's coming in. So, anyways, we're at 20. The high of today was at 23.22. Okay, we're exactly $1 away. Well, not exactly. We're a little bit 90 cents away from that. A little bit 80 some odd cents away from that. We can do that. We can get those levels. We're going to do it right now. Watch this. I don't know if we are, but I'm just saying we do have we've had a substantial amount of time for some buy-in power. Don't mind me. Everybody knows I vape, and I know it's bad for me, but I get a little. I'm under a little of excitement right now, and I'll try not to blow it in the lens, but it is what it is, eh? I drink coffee and I vape once in a while. And this isn't a kids channel. That's why it's rated like this. And sorry if you have your kids in front of you. It is what it is. That's why it's checked off for anybody under 18 should not be watching my channel. Okay. And I do feel bad about it. That's why I'm explaining it to you guys. I feel like a piece of shit actually doing this, but I'm addicted to it. There's nothing I can do, right? You know how it is. So, anyways, let's check out some other stuff here. BlackBerry's par now. Ew. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. But in the next couple of years, though, I know it's going to be worth a little bit of cheese. Okay, I'm just having a look. GME. It's going to take a jump over here and check out the GME family here. GME, GameStop. Game stoppage. They need to stoppage the bleedage. Okay, yeah, they're having a sell-off here. Oops, sorry. That's hard on the eyes. Yeah, it's coming down in stages, actually. So it's definitely not... the reason why this will possibly squeeze too, the reason why it's different, the stock is expensive, okay, for one thing. The other thing is they've done some shady shit. Okay, the company has done it to the retail investors by dumping all those shares in the market. They should have done it when it was higher, like in the 800s, 900s, and in new tested water. But I don't know. You know what I mean? Like it just sucks, right? Because I know some of you guys own that stuff, right? I'm not saying it's bad. You'll have your day. You will have your day. It's just not today. Okay, there you go. There's our old line. Why couldn't I find that before? That was our old line this morning, guys. Or no, not this morning. That was, remember when I said those new levels? We wanted to set that. That's what it was that. I wanted to set that because I wanted to see if we were going to touch on that again. That's weird that didn't show up before. But yeah, that's that level. That's our resistance level here. We built this substantial hard level of resistance here. Okay, it's a support level. Sorry. Correction. We built this awesome line of support here. Okay. So I'm going to zoom back up here. And we're back on AMC Entertainment Holdings at $22.14. We're trading at 13.9. Way to go, Wolfpack. Hello, guys. Hi, Stacy. How you doing? Thanks for joining us. Bye, wolves. Got to go. Yeah, see you later, Kat. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow morning. You have a good day. Okay? I'm glad you made money today. That's awesome. I'm so happy for all of you guys. We're making a substantial amount of money right now. Okay. We could be hitting that line of resistance right now. But it's okay. It's okay. Because we are going to, we got a whole day ahead of us of power trading on these guys. Okay. And power hour, look what happened yesterday. That was frigging nuts. Frigging nuts. It was insane. So, here we go. I'm just going to check out some indicators here. Now that EMA, the MA keeps on crossing of the EMA, which is definitely a sell sign. It's just an indicator, in case you're wondering. I just watch them. I always mention that because it's just one of the main indicators that I use. It only gives you about a half a second to a second before the actual candlestick changes, okay? It goes off of volume, just so you know. But look at the volume coming in here. Look at the amount of people that have bought on this little bit of a dip here. The dip will turn into a rip, okay? Watch. go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, if we get back up to that level, then I guess everybody's back in the money again. I don't know who on here bought at up at $23 range, but you're gonna see your light come to the tunnel. Okay. Don't feel bad if you bought up there and you got. Don't feel like you were taken for a ride. Okay. Don't feel like that, because you're gonna see your light at the end of the tunnel by the end of the day. Okay. Now we're testing at 14%. We just need to get that volume back up again. Like I said, we did our shares. We bought shares this morning in AMC. I dumped another $200. No, it's not much, but everybody adds up. It adds up. Here we go. It adds up. We're close to almost 1,000 shares. So yeah, like the profits are huge right now. Our accounts are pretty high. I'm very, very impressed with all of you. So yeah, BlackBerry's having a BlackBerry's bleeding today now. It was doing so good this morning. Oh, same as Sundial. Oh, wow. Sundial. Oh, we have a bit of a fight here on our hands. Yeah, we have a little bit of a fight on our hands right now. But most of the people are like, you guys are obviously diehard traders, but most traders don't get out of bed till 10 or 11. Okay, to be honest with you, that would be either Pacific. I guess that would be Pacific Standard Time. So on Eastern Standard Time, it would be earlier than that, obviously. But yeah, Sundial, ticker symbol SNDL. Okay. Which is a marijuana cannabis stock from Canada, and it is 0.8255. It's minus 3.67 right now. I'm not pulling anything off this chart right now. It's not fair to people that are holding this, because that's our main goal right now is AMC. GME is sitting at $240.90. It is down 0.70 in the red right now, unfortunately. But they're giving a buy signal on it. Okay, that's what the red means, is a buy signal in my eyes. It means you're getting it on a discount. Wow, a lot of stuff's changed throughout the day. Microvision's gone right down too. Microvision, ticker symbol MVIS, is trading at $14.85 right now. It is 0.75% in the green. Okay. We've got a double shoulder here. W. Head and shoulder. Okay, head, two shoulders. Shoulder, shoulder. Okay. This is called Three Crows. I'll give you guys a little bit of education when we're sitting here watching it. This is called Three Crows, and this is called a spin top. Okay, equal leg, a body with equal candle wicks. Okay, that's called a spin top. Okay, that is a bullish sign. Okay, here we go. Here we friggin' go, guys. Remember I told you about the volume? That's your buy-in right here, right there. That was a buy-in for a lot of people. Here we go. Usually a head and shoulders that's a buy signal too, just so you guys know. Oh yeah, I was explaining that to you. So a green candlestick followed by three reds is called Three Crows. The opposite, this is called Three Soldiers. Okay, a red followed by three greens is called Three Soldiers. Okay, guys, that's your education for the day. It is covered on the podcast under reading stock charts in my archives under playlists. You can get all of that information. I cover it for you guys. Okay, just in case you want to learn how to read stocks. If you're just in it just for pure money and you don't want to, that's up to you. If you're just in on this, right, that's up to you. But education's power, guys. Right? And I don't know everything. I'm just telling you that I document everything. JJ, what's up? What's up, brother? How you doing? Throwing some meat out there at me, eh? Huh? Are you trying to entice me with a piece of meat for the wolf? How's it going, buddy? How you doing? You're just dropping in here, eh? Channel surfing. So yeah, buddy, we're doing good, eh? You must be up quite a bit. I know you bought low. Probably lower than me. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing really good today, buddy. Yeah, we're cranking it right up here. We're actually getting some ground again. Do wolves eat bananas? My dog likes bananas. Hey, that's a good question. I think they do. I think they like bananas. So we're back up to 16%. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. You can't ask for anything better than this. $22.77. 76 bouncing in here at $16.31%. And we are just smashing the volume today. Holy crap. 189.27. And here we go. Look at the order chart down here. Just kicked her up a bit. It's a lot of volume coming in here. We've already overturned almost 50. We're at 42%. We've almost turned over all the stock in AMC. See, that doesn't make sense. There's no way that they did that of the free float. It doesn't make sense. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Okay, that's why we're having a share count. That's bullshit. There's no fucking way. Pardon my language. Oops, I got to watch my swearing on here. Sorry, guys. I know you have kids and stuff in the background. I got to dumb that down a bit. So, $23 now. Beautiful. We're at 17. Here we go. We're having a run here. Anything over 10% is classed as a run in my eyes. So if you hear me say run and you're like, Cameron, that's not a run. Yeah, it is. Anything over 10% is pretty good for nowadays. You can't even get 3% at the bank, right? Here we go. 23 bangers. We're going to smash this again. Come on, guys. Push that back up there. You got enough volume to do it. Wow, we're almost hitting 200 million shares. 200 million shares. And look at, we've only been over 2 hours. Wow, this could be a very good day. Well, it already is. This is a beautiful day. Okay, here we go. Had to check in with the... right on, brother. Right on. Thanks, man. I'm glad you make your rounds. You're a soldier, dude. You're definitely a soldier. And I like how you keep it real. That's awesome. You're a busy man, eh? Yeah, we've already over... we're almost at 200 million. Like we're within the next 5 minutes. We're going to be at that. Whew, it's getting hot in here. With all these computers running, monitors in my office, I wish I could crack that window. Actually, I'm going to crack that window. If you guys get too much feedback, just message me on the chart. The rain on the road, it messes with the sound, but I guess I could put on threshold on my mic. I wasn't even thinking about that. So it only picks up my voice. Hey. So let's just try this. Tell me if it gets too loud, guys, because I can hear the rain in the background. If you can hear that and that's messing with the mic, just drop me something. I actually bought in at 20K shares. Yeah, I know you did. You're a rich bastard already. I know you're rich. Well, I know you're already a millionaire, JJ. But it's all good because you're smart. You're gonna flip your cake. At $14. Hey, that's what I bought it at. Did you buy in that when it went from 20 something dollars and it went down to 14? You're like, yes, this is perfect. Buy. And then all of a sudden it went back down to like $7-8 and you're like, oh crap. Were you that caught me off guard too? And I'm an experienced trader, man. I was not expecting that, but that is definitely something that doesn't happen on the market like that. That's because we got hedge fund, right? We got hedged. That's called hedged. Ladder attacked. So yeah, you're in the same cake as me, man. I'm like 1420 something. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. See, I knew we had something in common. So yeah. Yeah, I guess the rain's not that bad. I was suffering for nothing. And if I'm looking over that screen, it's not that I'm ignoring you guys. I got to concentrate on the screen, but I'm looking at all these. I'm trying to keep an eye on everything for you guys. Because usually we'll have a split screen up on there, or at least two. Not now. This is getting too crazy. I don't want to miss a gamma squeeze today. A potential gamma squeeze. It's not. I'm not saying it's going to. But nobody can, from this point on, nobody can predict what's happening. And I don't care who you are. Things could just go like, wham, gone. Up to like $100, just like that. In about 15 minutes. Trust me. $22.84 AMC, $16.80, 7 cents. And it is, we've been exactly an hour, okay, 6:30, an hour and a half it's been. Here we go. We got to, look at all the buys coming in. Holy crap, it's all buy power. This is going to drive us to the moon. Watch this. Here come the sell orders. That was a pure 3 seconds of buy. Straight across the board. Here we go. It's catching up with the algorithm. We just made a new high. Okay, we just broke the records, guys. Here we go. Okay, we just set a new standard at $23.43. $23.43. We just locked in on a new level. Okay, we just got a new level here, guys. We just broke through the resistance level 3. And I'll show you guys that. We smashed it. We smashed it, guys. We smashed it. Good for you, Wolfpack. We're in some serious cake right now. Oh, man. Our bank accounts just went. Thank you. Yeah. That's how you should feel. You should be patting yourselves on the back right now. That was a good go, that little crank right there. So. Wow. Yeah, everybody on the board's in money now. And even if you got caught at the top buying right here, which is nothing wrong with, because everything adds to it, you are all in the cake now. In the cheese. Make some cheese. This is what you get for keeping it real, man. And keeping your stock held. Keeping it real. My slogan, eh? Financial freedom. What's up? Up real-time data. Webull account says 15-minute delay. No. What's up? Oprah real-time data. My Webull account says 15-minute delay. What? Nah, that's not true, man. And actually, are you paying for a Webull? Or are you just using the free one? Because Webull doesn't have a 15-minute delay on the paid app. Amtrade does. Wealthsimple does. Yeah. This is real time, man, if you're paying for it. Here we go. And you can always use Yahoo Finance. That's real time too, and that's free. It's just if you have you'll have the commercials at the bottom. No, I watched it go to $1.90 and then didn't sell then. Yeah, me neither. I just knew this was going to do this. Because what it was the thing was, remember back when it was 100, I don't know what it is now. I think it's around about the same because the shorts have doubled down, but remember it was 40% shorted. Remember that back when you were talking about at that number? Stupid fucking thing. Sorry, guys. I'm having issues here. Issues. This is nuts. Wow. Let's check out some numbers here. Let's see what these buy-ins are. They're dumping 3 million shares at a time here. That's crazy. That's crazy. What's your financial freedom there? I'm going to call you FF. Question. What's Oprah real-time data? I don't understand what you're asking. I'm sorry. That's the thing with texting. It can be taken different ways. But fire another text out on the chat. If I can decipher it. Sometimes I can't understand me, and you can reword it different ways. It's just the way texting is, right? It's pretty bad for communicating, actually. So let's jump off over here. We had wow. No wonder why that jumped up. Look at that. 3 million, 5 million just in these two candlesticks. Another 1.5 million. Okay. AMC is at $23.18. I'm actually going to check because you got me tripping out now. I already know I'm on real time. I'm just going to I'm going to check Yahoo Finance here. I can tell you right now. Cuz you guys, if you have orders through Webull, it's classed as a paid subscription. It doesn't show my accounts, but guys, if you can see that, we're at $48,000 right now. We just made $3,900 since the market opened already. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? That's how much the Wolfpack's already made. Okay, since market open, we're at $48,479.38. Okay, we've already made today. We've already made $3,707.26 in one of our accounts on this stock. Okay, that's how you make money, and that's what I'm potentially said. This could turn into millions of dollars, this account. Okay, and I'm not full of crap. Even JJ can even vouch for that. Okay, if this thing goes to $1,000 a share, which it could, easy. It could go higher. We don't know. This has never happened before on this stock. Okay, even if it hits in the 500, that's $500,000. Okay, so. Oh, yeah, I was going to check for real time here for you guys. I just want to make a check here. I just want to make sure. And that's easy for me to do. Just check the charts. Nah, it's real time. Nope, I don't know what you're getting, but maybe you got a data lag or something. I don't know what's going on there, FF, but yeah, it's 1855. It's the same thing. Yeah, $23. This one, Yahoo Finance is about a half a second behind. And that's just a data lag through a cell phone tower to a hardwire. Okay? Okay, I'll stop screwing around with my phone. Okay, AMC, $23.24, and we are smashing it today. Smashing it. We're getting some sideways action, which will cause a tailwind and drive us back up to a new level like it's been doing all along. The stock's becoming very predictable in the last hour. Okay? Very predictable. I've noticed the charting is very predictable right now, this stock. As long as the volume doesn't change, because that changes everything. But if we keep the same amount of volume coming in, it's going to lock in around this level, okay? If not higher, but for sure it'll lock in around this level. What we need is a nice little dish form. A cup and handle would drive us like right the hell up. Or another head and shoulders. Well, those are all bullish signs. So, everybody else that's on Reddit, we're hooked up to multiple platforms here. Anybody on Twitter, Twitski. Anybody on Facebook, Reddit, from the Reddit group. Wolfpack says hi. Welcome to the channel. I see a substantial amount of people logged on from other servers. We got a bunch here. Everybody on YouTube, thanks for joining me here today. I'm not logging off. Usually I log off like an hour ago. We're staying on longer today. We usually only stay on for an hour, but we're going to hang out today. I feel like hanging out. I might have to take a bathroom break and come back, though. And And that's about it. I'll tell you when I need to. But yeah, thanks for joining us on all the platforms today. They're not all linked up together on the chat. I'm sorry about that. That's why you got to come to the YouTube channel. But anybody on any platform can hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to see this action in real time, then hit the subscription button. I do this every morning as long as I can. And even when we're squeezing, I'm going to be doing it. And then you're going to be getting an SOS. If you hit the sub, I know everybody, I repeat myself, that's on the channel. That's just the way it is because I want everybody to be treated fairly. Okay? It's not all about one person. Okay? It's about all of us united as one. One thing. I'm going to be sending it out. I've already got the thumbnails made. I've already got the software already done. So I just hit a button anywhere in the world, even if I'm out working in my excavator or in my cat or in the rock truck. I can just hit this when this does that. That's if I'm at work. I don't think I will be. I'm making more money right now than when I work. I'm making probably about another 100% profit than what I make. Okay? And I do make a substantial good money when I'm working full time. But that's here and there. So you will get an SOS saying squeeze, that we're actually in the squeeze with SOS on both sides. I've already made the thumbnail so I can tell you what it is. It says SOS in big red things, says my name, and it says AMC squeeze happening. Okay, if you see that video is only going to be like 15 seconds long. It's just going to be saying squeeze. I'm going to put 2 of them out in case the notification and YouTube screws us over and it doesn't go through to everybody. I'm putting 2 of them through. Okay, so if you see a repeat of the video, sorry, but I don't want anybody caught with their pants down. Okay, that's not the way we roll. Okay, we treat everybody fairly on this channel, and I like the respect that everybody knows that comes here, or we're adults, so we're just going to keep it that way. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's get back in here. AMC, $22.81, and we're smashing around $16.64, and we're just playing around with the hedgies right now, just having a little bit of fun, stressing the crap out of them. So we're up to over 45% of the hedge funds in the United States have gone bankrupt or in bankrupt protection. That is factual news, okay? It was on the news. It was on Bloomberg, I think, 2 days ago. They're up to, I don't know how many trillions of dollars, trillions. Did I just say that, trillions? Like, if I had $1 trillion, what is $1 trillion? Like, I know, obviously I know what it is, but like, that is so much goddamn money. Like, you could feed everybody all across the states for a full day, probably a couple days on $1 trillion. I don't know. I'm just assuming this, but that's so much money. Nobody needs that much money. Like, what the frig? Like, that's why it's messed up, man. That's why there's poverty. That's why people can't afford to buy houses. That's why it's going rich and poor. There's no middle class anymore. There's a very substantial low amount of middle class. It's getting worse and worse every year. Look at the price of food. Look at the price of gas. Look at the price of lumber. That's all to do with hedgies, hoarding this cribbing money. Like, put it back in the system, which it will. It's going into retail investors, and we're going to spend it. We're going to be buying new vehicles. I'm personally not buying a Lambo. But I'm probably going to buy myself the Dodge Power Wagon, the new one, with the new Hemi motor in it. I do already own a Dodge truck, a nice black one with black rims on it, black all over black. It's a beautiful truck. It's a 15 though, 2015. She's getting old. She only has 89,000 kilometers on it, but I'm definitely going to be buying a new Power Wagon, the electric Hydro Blue. Oh yeah. So, anyways, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And then I'm probably going to, what else am I going to do? I don't know. Probably donate most of it. I'm a really simple person, right? So, I try to live simple. So, if you want to drop me a chat and tell me what you are going to buy with your money, you can. And if not, then it's all good. Just kick back and enjoy. Okay. I'm just going to look over the rest of the portfolio here. Wow. Dogecoin took a little bit of a dip today. It was at 0.354, somewhere in there. It's down to 0.3388. Ooh, I don't like that number. Okay, it changed. I would not buy with that number. Any numbers like that? 3344. I don't buy that stuff. I'm a little bit superstitious on that. Wow, look at us go. Come on. Like even if, I just want everybody to know if we get caught in a dip and it just locks out, we're done, the market's over. We did really good today. If we can keep on holding these numbers, they're big chunks. If you remember back, it could take us a month and a half to get to 18%. It would go down, back up 0.5. I was happy with 2% a day in the green, and I know you were too. And yeah, it was pretty stressful. There's a lot of orders coming in for sale right now. It is what it is. Look at this wave action. Wow. Is that traffic bothering you guys at all? Obviously it's not, or else you would have put it up on the screen on the chat. No, it's probably, I don't know if it's loud or not. I'll know when I play the video or the podcast back tonight. I'll do some adjustments. But wow, we've been on an hour and 56 minutes. Wow, time flies when you're having fun, eh? This new software I got is working awesome. No frame rate drops at all. I love it. Beautiful. So, anyways, yeah, we're fighting tooth and nail right now. But what this will do is cause, this will cause right here is a huge buy-in. Watch, it's going to go back up like it just did right here. Here, that was a good one. That was an awesome. That was a lot of shares. What are we? Yeah, there's 2 million shares dumped on the market right now. You think it's good? Okay. You think it's a good thing to have one account broker or multiple? Webull is good. Yeah, Webull's good. I do have multiple because I have with TD, TD Bank. I have some. Depends on what you're doing. If you're paper trading, right, and you're buying some, you want the zero commission one. But if you're buying and holding like AMC, TD's fine. You're gonna, I don't know, I pay $9.99 per transaction, per sell, per buy. It's $20 every time I do it. But if I'm only buying, I've only bought this twice or 3 times, right, on one platform. Like I just did this morning, that cost me $9.99, right? But the zero commission ones like Wealth Simple Trades in Canada, you can use that one. You can use my referral and it's zero commission. You may yourself send $10 stocks. Webull, obviously you're from the States. If you're asking about Webull, I don't have access up to Webull up here. I can't access it. Even opening, I have to have an American address. I could do that, but it's just not feasible for me, right? And I do use Webull. I do pay for their service, but not through trades. Like I actually pay a monthly subscription to use their charts without... so I get real time and all that stuff, right? But it's all good. Yeah, it's multiple. I just would, if you do have a Robinhood account, I hate mentioning that name on here, do not liquidate it right now. Just keep it. If you do get locked out, you get locked out on your sale. That's shitty, but don't be trading stuff right now because there's a transition period, okay? I just want you to know that. And anybody that tells you different, don't get fear mongered into trading and trying to transfer to Amex trading apps or TD apps or anything like that. Just keep your stuff where it is, okay? After you do your cash out, I don't know about if Robinhood will pull their shenanigans again. I don't know. Who knows? Like the shitty thing is, imagine if they went into bankruptcy protection. That would screw a lot of people down. They shut everything right down because they're locked out by the feds. That's one thing that I don't know. I'm not going to fearmonger anybody, okay? But I don't know. I don't know anything about that stuff. I just know as much as you do about that platform, right? Robinhood. I just know they're NG. They're no good, man. But if you already have your stocks in there, just keep on doing what you're doing. There's nothing you can do, right? That should have been done weeks ago, right? But it is what it is. I wouldn't be trading anything around right now because if you're in the middle of a squeeze, if the squeeze happens and you got your stuff in transition, you just screwed yourself. Okay. That's just my take, right? Right. I'm just a wolf, man. I'm a silverback wolf. Old. I got gray hair, right? So I don't know. I'm more into stocks than trading apps and all that stuff, right? I just know what's cheaper. But I know that multiple speed trading, I have an offshore account, right? for that. Not even in this country, not even in the States. I'm not going to specify where it is. It's an offshore account on an island, and I do paper trading with that. And that's where I trade multiple trading, because over in the States and Canada, you have to have minimal $24,000 in your account to do paper trading, to trade more than, I think it's 3 stocks a week. And with that other account, it's unlimited. And then you don't pay the taxes. That's the other thing too. There's no tax. Like I think I pay like 2.8% taxes instead of 37%, right? Everything's different. Every state's different. Every country's different, right? You just got to Google it. It's common knowledge. Okay, we're at AMC right now. Entertainment Holdings. We're at $23.11. 15%, 18%. We're bouncing in there. We're doing beautiful today. I'm going to do a zoom. We're going to zoom back out here today and have a look at our progress today. For this third, fourth time today. Beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. I just love that. That's just a good picture. Look at that. Look what we've done. We've done that. We've done that. Nobody else did that. We did that. Okay? Pat yourself on the back. Okay? You should be very proud of yourself. Like I said, you held through a lot of stuff, a lot of fear mongering, a lot of news, a lot of negative stuff that's come towards us. Commercials, ads, apps, sell, people coming on the hedge funds like Zacks Trading, Monopoly Money, all that stuff. All those apps, hedge funds, they're all hedge funds, just so you know. Those hedge funds, all those commercials, the billboards, oh, buy this stock, forget AMC. All that stuff is crap, okay? Don't listen to it. You listen to people like us, okay? And do your own DD. You have to do your own DD, okay? Did that answer your question? Financial freedom, FF? Do. Yeah, we'll get some uncopyrighted music here for you. We'll get some high-end elevator music. Oh man. Okay, what was our number? Oh yeah, we didn't. Oh, we did break it. I'll have to erase that down. We got a new number here. I'm keeping track of everything for you guys right here. We're at 23. What was our high? 23. I know I have it up there, but in case the platform crashes, I want to have this stuff written down. And I'm also a little bit old school too, right? As you can tell, right? Just going to check our resistance points. Yeah, we're tailing along that level 3, eh? We broke through it, one. Come on, back up. Okay, we broke through it 1, 2, 3. Well, we busted through it once. We broke through it once so far. That's a hard go. That took a lot of volume there to do that. Yeah, 3 million shares to do that. We can do it again. We're not far again. We're working our way back up the ladder. I'm just going to jump off. I'm just going to jump on my phone here for a second. I'm going to actually look over at, I just had a question. Oh yeah. I just had it. Somebody wrote me a message on Reddit. Okay, so they want GME is at 238.80 and they're at minus 0.47. Okay, they're having usually they run in tandem. They broke away because the price range now. Okay, that's why that happened. They were running like close together, but they're not. They're not going to probably a gain. They're too spread far apart now. Okay, just give me a minute here. Guys, just watch the chart, and I'm just gonna be a second here. I gotta do some stuff here. Wow, crazy, eh? That's crazy. Crazy stuff. There's a lot of happy people. Wow. Holy crow. Well, yeah, you guys are welcome to join my Twitter account too. It's all posted there. There's a Patreon. We just opened that up. You can actually talk to me live if you want. We're setting all that software up so you can actually do some voice chatting with me, and you got to get a subscription for it. And yeah, you can actually talk live to me. We can go over stuff. I can teach you how to, we can one-on-one and teach you how to read stock charts and get private lessons. So all that's available. It's coming up. Okay. Okay. I'm going to jump out of here for a minute. Well, you're welcome free to stay here. I'm going to be about 3 minutes. I got to go to the washroom. So I will be back. Just give me a minute. Hey guys, sorry about that. I had to go get some water and stuff and go to the washroom. Oh, all that coffee's going through me. So, did I miss anything? Oh shit. Oh, did I ever? I guess I'm not allowed to leave again, eh? Well, you guys got a good buy-in now. Start buying. That's what I would do anyways. Like you know, I can't tell you what to do, but let's have a look at here. Why aren't these indicators showing anymore? What the hell's going on here? What the heck? Okay, why is that not showing our indicators anymore? Okay, this isn't retail investors, guys. This is an institution selling right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, frig. Wow. That's a lot of volume coming out. Yeah, that's not retail investors, guys. Don't worry about that. That's definitely somebody liquidated. Okay, that's gonna. Damn it! Why aren't my indicators working? That's weird. Weird. Okay, why is this charts all messing up too? Okay, I'm going to refresh this here. Let's get some refreshage. There we go. Yeah, that's a pure sell-off. We're getting slammed here. It's bleeding. So all that will happen with this is a substantial amount of people are going to purchase. Watch. We're already starting to get it. Look at the scales going up here, and I really don't like using that as a guideline. We're going to get a bunch of side action here, and it's going to go right back up because people are waiting for this. We're still up 11%. That's still good for the day. But yeah. Wow. Here we go. Just waiting for those stupid candles to switch over. Yeah, I got on the 1 minute. 1 minute's a long time if you're watching it do that. I'm like, but it's all good. I know better, and I just kind of want to put that out there, not to get panic like that, right? Like, look we got more sales selling off, man. It's all good. I'm wondering why this chart is doing that. Here we go. We're working our way back up. So what? We stopped on that resistance. So we have 4 touch points on that. $21.85. That seems to be the level. That seems to be that level again. Let's have a look here. Yeah. Straight across the board. Straight across the board. Okay, so that is an actual resistance level then. A support level. Sorry. That is an actual serious support level then. That should be noted. Actually, I'm going to note that down here. $21 is the main support level because I can tell because it won't go past that and it keeps on bouncing. Is support level. Okay. I'd just like to write it down in case something happens with this system goes down or something. We can always switch over and use a different scanner. I already got all stuff set up, ready to go. It just take me a minute to switch it all over. Oh wow, I'm getting old. Fucking screen. Hell. So. Okay, let's check some. I'm just going to. Yeah, the volume slowed right down. That's what happened. We got way less volume coming in here. That's what hit us a little bit there. We backed off on the volume and we got schwacked a bit, which is fine. Like if you look at the history, that's normal. Okay, look at this. It's normal. All we did was bump back down to this next. We never lost everything that we had. We started way down here this morning. You have to remember, right? So, but that here said than done. Now we got a little bit of work ahead of us to get back up there again, which is fine. Okay, so AMC Entertainment Holdings ticker symbol. We are at $22.18, 13.50%, and Pacific Standard Time, it's 8:38 a.m. in the morning. It's so early still. I haven't even had my breakfast. I'm gonna have to log off here pretty soon, guys. You guys keep me on here. Like, this is the longest I've done a morning podcast, I think, in months. Usually it's only an hour and 10 if you guys sidetrack me a bit. But yeah, we've been on 2 hours and 15 minutes? 14, holy crow. Wow, that's crazy. It's a lot is happening today, and I don't want to miss that. I don't want to miss a gamma squeeze or a squeeze. I'm pretty sure I'll go into a gamma first. We almost had a gamma start this morning, like a small ball baby one. Back, where was it? Right here. This level right here was pretty impressive, all through up in here. When this happened this morning, and then the console, that's so important, that level right there, and that drove us up. And we didn't have that consolidation here. If we would have, you're vaping too? I know, man. It's so bad. But it is what it is, man. I'm the one hosting it. And I just wish I could just take some deep pulls here. I feel bad every time I vape. So I got somebody else vaping there with me. I'm going to take my time and vape. 2 years ago, same here, man. I quit like a year ago, or else I'd be chain smoking and this room would be all full of smoke, and half of you guys would probably not even want to watch it. Are you? I haven't. Just hang on. I'm just reading your handle here. Moon Unit. Oh, I like your handle there, man. That's cool. 1970. So you're 3 years old. If that's your, obviously, I don't know. Most people put their ages on there. You're a couple years older than me. That's it. That's it, buddy. We're silver wolves. I am, anyways. So let's get back. Sorry, guys, on the chart there, I got sidetracked. So we are doing the same pattern here. This is very, very, very good. Okay, watch this. We're going to get that tailwind again, and it's going to take us back up again. That's what we need. Okay, here comes the volume. Here comes all that volume there from the dip. Here we go. This is what we need. That people are waiting for that all morning, for that dip. We've got a lot of new people on here. If you want, hit the sub button. We're going to be doing this every day through the squeeze and everything, and you'll get your SOS warning when we do squeeze through via YouTube. Just look for the thumbnail. It says SOS squeeze. Here we go. We're going to take this. It's going to go in levels. Okay, so what we're going to do is get a level, and then it's going to consolidate. Level, consolidate. Okay, that's what we got to do. We got a lot of power. Sorry, guys. We got a lot of power pushing us down. Like pushing us down. We got millions and millions and millions and trillions of dollars that are acting against us. Okay? There, I'm finally awake now. Ugh, it took me that long, a couple hours to wake up. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go through these. We did quite a bit of volume, actually, over the last after the last half an hour. Here we go. Here comes a lot of orders. This will start switching up here in a little bit. Once it starts, the algorithm starts catching up to it. We're going to get a little bit of a go here. It'll take a little bit to catch up. There we go. Okay, so our volume is, here we go. Our volume is 246.30 million shares have already traded through the market for volume. That's selling, buying, that's just the whole thing. Okay, and then percentage-wise, the overturn would be 54.74, which is not bad. We're smashing yesterday. Okay? Bastards. The frig. It is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. But we got a lot of retail investors in on this. Like, I'm saying like up to like 87% now. It's gone up from around 80 to 87 is huge. That is huge, huge stuff. We needed that. Okay, it's going to be testing that level again here. Where is it? I should almost draw a trend line there, but I'm not going to because I don't want to jinx us. What did I write down? 2184. Oh yeah, it was down here. I'm not going to go on the candlestick wick down here. I don't like that. That's the test. That was the test of it. That's not the full potential. It might smash that. I can't see it going past that though. It's pretty long. It's tried a couple times. It's tried three. This would be the fourth time it's tried. bastards. Yeah, look at GameStop. GME's done the same thing. It's lost its momentum too. This is about the time that all the platforms have done all their dumping. So this is just pure retail investors right now. That's all it is. Okay. This right here, I have my suspicions that that is a bit of an institution sellout. Okay. The way that the charts went here, it was just pure red. It just went red. It just swacked us. And we had a lot of buy-ins coming in too, so it was overpowering all the buy-ins. Like that's a substantial amount of volume, negative volume coming in. So I don't know. Nobody can tell for sure. There's just assumptions, right? Until we see the news tonight. Like Wana had a bunch of stock still. That we ate all that up. That was that. It did something like this, but it didn't last long. The thing is, we ate that up. Like. All the retail investors just chewed that right up. Okay, here's your buy-in right here, guys. That's a buy-in. This is good sign right here. 2 reds followed by a green. Okay, this could turn. I said could because this is a volatile stock. You can't predict on this. This is not a normal actions here. This is not normal. All your schooling and stuff like that doesn't teach you this stuff. Okay, not for volatile stock. This is unforeseen territories. Okay. Anything over $20, 21.84 was or 20. Sorry, anything over the $21 is unforeseen territories. Like this is all new. All indicators are just guidelines. It's off the table. Okay, just for people that just logged on or passing through, or there's so many people that are stopping in and stuff on here, right? Not just on YouTube, on all the platforms. We're hooked up to all of them now. So it's just the chat isn't. I don't think you can hook up all of it. So, yeah, hit the sub button, and we're going to be carrying on here for days and days and days. And I just want to get this out here, the newcomers onto the platform here, onto the channel, that the 28th is the last day that you can buy shares that will actually be counted as of for the share count. Okay? The market's not open on the 30th, and that was the actual physical last day. So, so I guess the 28th, and I wouldn't do that too close to power hour because you might get locked out, okay? I've had that happen a couple times to me where I was like an hour before power out and it says, no, you're too close to our closing. I'm like, what? That's stupid. How, like, that doesn't make sense, but yet your order gets filled within minutes. So I don't know. There's so much crap built around it. You have to remember, this thing's rigged. The market is rigged for us to lose, okay? That's why it takes a lot of people to try to get it to levels like this. Here we go. I just put that line on there. We're going to end up smashing off that. Shit. I don't like it. But we're still at 12 something. We're still doing good. See, when I bought AMC this morning, I bought at $19. So I'm still in the money. Plus our other ones at 14 and plus the other ones at 8, right? Yeah, I'm gonna check how much Wolfpack is up to right now, actually, with these new numbers. I'm just curious. I like to be transparent. Okay. Oops, wrong account. Let's use Yahoo Finance. Yahoo. Well, we're at $47,481. We lost almost $1,000 just in that little bit of a sell-off right there. And I'll show you guys. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. See that? There you go. I'm trying to be transparent. There we go. That's that. So, I'm not the only one losing a little bit of money right now. Okay? What is it? We're heading on 2:25 right now, hours that we've been logged on to the podcast. I am going to log off pretty soon, guys. I just wanted to stay on here until we got to a new level for you. So you got a little bit of support and somebody to talk to. And I just don't want anybody just don't let anything fearmonger you today, okay, guys? Just stay away from the news. Just stay away from all those platforms. Don't be reading Google and going and listening to those ads like Zach's Finance, and there's hundreds of thousands of them out there. Monopoly Money and all that stuff says, oh, don't buy this, buy this. Don't forget AMC, forget GME, buy this. Don't listen to that stuff. That's hedge fund talk, okay? Just they're just trying to protect their own money, right? Okay, we have actually gone overturned over 50. We're at 56.24% right now. Up here, we've actually got over our amount that we did yesterday for volume. We're at the total volume package, everything included is 253.39 million, which is freaking insane. Here we go. Come on, guys. Okay, we just had the MA crossover, the EMA. MA, which is a buy signal, or which is a signal that it's going to go up. You have to remember, these are just guidelines. It's not etched in stone. There we go. Okay, here we go. Here's the volume. Here we got lots of volume, a little bit more coming in. I'm just looking at the numbers and how fast it's moving. It's slowed down quite a bit. Like, who would be selling this right now? Like, that's just stupid. Because you're not going to buy back in at anything cheaper. Like, you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. Because these levels right here, in the next day or two, will be foreseen. You'll never see these levels again unless it on the bottom of the end of the sell-off after the squeeze. Okay, I'm just giving you guys heads up on that. Don't shoot yourself in the foot. Don't paper hand this. This stock don't work like that. Okay. Like paper handing, the true definition of paper handing is buying and selling by the end of the day. It's paper trading. Okay. That's the definition, is when you buy in the day, you pick out your stocks. Here we go. You pick out your stocks, and then by the hour before market close, you sell. Okay, so that's what you do. And then you reap your earnings from that. Okay, that's the true definition of paper trading. A lot of people throw the wrong way out there of what it's done. They're not understanding it. They're giving you the false information. And usually paper trading is done on the 1 minute. What we do is, usually this isn't done on the 1 minute. We put on the 5 minute. Paper trading is usually on the 1 minute chart. Okay. I like the 1 minute chart because I like to see stuff when it's happening live, pretty much. Right. And it takes 5 minutes. It takes too long to look at the candle to know what it's doing. Right. Like, to be honest with you. Here we go. There's that. Getting that tailwind here. Damn. You bastards. Okay, guys, I'm going to jump offline here. It's been substantial. I got to go have my breakfast and stuff like that. Thanks for everybody joining me here today. Thanks for joining the Wolf Pack. You keep it real today, okay? We got Patreon account now. It's down below. You can see all that stuff. Hit the sub button if you want more of this. If you want the notification when the squeeze is happening, hit the sub button, because I can't get a hold of you. Same as the sell. We're going to be sending out a notification when we're starting to sell off, and you can use your own DD. And when you want to sell, we will be selling live right on this channel when we do our sell. If you want to use my broker, wealthsimple.com, it's a trading platform. It's a broker. You get minimal $100, and you can use the activation code on the bottom. Make yourself $10 free money, Canadian, or you can use it for buying stock. Whatever you want to do with it, that's up to you. Okay, I'm over and out, and you guys keep it real, and I will see you here tomorrow morning, unless there's some awesome news. And you know, I always shoot a podcast if there's something very substantial coming out. Okay. And I'll see you tomorrow.